Welcome to another video of What's Cooking. I'm Lizzie. I work in the cafe and I'm going to be making pineapple rum chicken wings. 2 ounces of butter. I'll let that melt a little bit. And then we're going to add pineapple topping with a little bit of pineapple juice, 2 cups. Let sit for a little bit. And then I have 1 cup of rum. 2 tablespoons of rum extract. Alrighty. 1/4 cup of lemon juice. 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. 1/4 cup of ketchup. One and a half tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And 2.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. Right. That's all for the sauce. All right, I already have some chicken wings cooked up, so I'm just gonna put some of this sauce on top of the chicken wings. Mix them around. Make sure all they're coated and everything. All right. I'm gonna put them on a plate. All right, and this will be available Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday in the cafe and the bistro.